We're going to be learning much more about these vaccines in the coming weeks, and I want to strongly encourage each of you to pay close attention. I know many people have concerns about the speed with which these vaccines were developed, and that's why it's especially important for everyone to make a point of following the FDA review process carefully.
For total transparency, it's going to be on YouTube. And we're going to hear the data presented by the company. FDA is going to give us their interpretation of the data, all out in public.
University of Michigan epidemiologist Dr. Arnold Monto will lead the committee that will advise the FDA on whether or not any of the COVID-19 vaccines should be granted an emergency use authorization. One key question: what are the risks and what are the benefits?
With anything else that you put in your body, there will be some level of risk. And everybody is going to have to make a determination once they can get the vaccine on risk-benefit.
Remember, the benefits include not only protecting yourself, but also reducing your ability to spread the virus to others at high risk. The public meeting will also highlight the experts involved in the review process. That's important to know, says U of M's Chief Health Officer, Dr. Preeti Malani.
I would pay attention to who is on the advisory council, who is asking questions and what they're asking, and also what data are provided by the vaccine manufacturers.
Another important question: what side effects should you expect?
There are side effects. People can have flu-like symptoms and fevers, as well as injection site issues, but these are short-lived, and I think that's an important message also.
You also need to ask, are the experts I trust getting the vaccine? Does my doctor recommend it?
I hope that we are able to provide good information to primary care providers and physicians and others who might be in a position to make a recommendation to patients about the vaccine, including some that might be hesitant.
It's also important to ask, what don't we know? We don't know how long the protection will last, because that will simply take time to find out. We don't know if there are 1 in a million side effects, but there will be systems in place to detect those quickly if they occur. The bottom line: I hope everyone will listen, learn, and ask the questions you need to ask to make an educated decision about the vaccine, because ultimately, a safe and effective vaccine will be our best shot at ending this pandemic.